Is your mood very low? Are you feeling very sad? Are you feeling depressed of some situation or event and you want to instantly come out of it and come back to your things so that you stop overthinking on that incident, whatever is troubling you right now? So this video is right there for you. In just 5 minutes I will help you to come out of this sad thing that is going on in a loop in your mind, and you will feel refreshed. So namaste, this is Neha Jaiswal and you're here on my channel. This channel is all about your health, your wellness, your emotional wellness, and your happiness. Yes, I want you to be happy. So try this short guided meditation that I did for my community members. So I'm sharing it with you so you can also practice and feel that elevated mood instantly. Just 5 to 6 minutes you need. Okay, so be ready, sit in a comfortable position. If you have headphones or earphones, put on that and you're ready to go. But let's move to the meditation part, a short guided meditation. I want you to sit in the same position, relax yourself, listen to this music, be aware of your spine, relax. Just observe your breathing. Completely relax. Release the tension from your shoulders. Release the tension from your neck. Release the tension from your jaws, from your teeth. Relax your eyebrows, your eyes. Completely relax your head. And now I want you to gently bring in your mind a memory from your life when you were very happy. It was an incident that made you happy. You were so joyful that you wanted to share it with the entire world. Can you bring that memory back again? Where were you? What was your age? What were you doing? Who was around you? And now, gently bring in your mind another memory when you laughed so much, so hard. There was a funny incident in your life and you laughed so much. What was it? Can you bring that in your mind again? That you, your family, or your friends, you laughed so hard that your stomach was aching, your cheeks were aching. What was that joke or what was that situation? Now, gently come back to your breathing, come back to yourself, come back to this moment. Gently place your right hand on the center of your chest and repeat after me. Special moments, happy moments can be created. We don't have to wait for them. Happy moments can be created. I have the power to create them. I have the choice to create them. And I choose to create happiness more and more every single day. The nice deep breath, gently bring both your hands into Namaste in front of your chest. And now rub your palms, generate heat, and place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy and gently bring your hands in front of your face. Look at your palms with a smile. All right. So I hope you got some funny memory back into your mind, maybe whatever it was. So hold on to that and smile always. Okay. All right. So if you have done this meditation, I want to know how are you feeling right now. Please put your comment in the comment below and I look forward to reading all your comments there. I hope it has helped you. Whenever you need, come back to this. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that because there are beautiful meditations that are going to come up every single day. Thank you. Bye bye.